Hey guys, what's happening? Tips for resolving Twitter account suspicion quickly. So first of all, go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser and search for Twitter Help Center or Twitter Contact, and you're gonna go ahead to the Help Center, right? And then you're gonna go ahead and select the topic locked and suspended account issues, right? And basically, if you're logged into a locked account, you're gonna be able to proceed. If you're not, like me, or you don't have a locked account, you're gonna be able to basically just log out from your current account and just sign in with your new account and submit an appeal, right? And basically, you're gonna tell them that you are willing to comply with the rules, right? You're gonna tell them my account was wrongly suspended. I have not violated any Twitter rules. If I get unsuspended, I will promise to not violate any Twitter rules, and then you're gonna hit submit, right? And they're gonna receive your request to have your account reinstated, and they're reviewing a high volume of requests and appreciate your patience, as it may take longer than normal for them to get back to you with an outcome. So you're gonna wait for a while until Twitter respond with approval, or with basically you need to submit another appeal. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.